This short video provides a summary of the features REXPORTA offers from the point of view of seller users. After logging in as a seller user, click on Manage Store from the menu. Thus, a menu opens where you can edit many basic information about your store. You should edit information such as your store name, contact information, working principles, and return conditions from the general settings so that your customers can see it. REXPORTA offers many features that are easy to use and useful for you. You can increase your brand value by uploading logos and banners in the media section. REXPORTA uses the photos you upload while making digital advertisements in various internet environments. REXPORTA member seller accounts can organize in and out of marketplace advertisements with the advertiser function. REXPORTA offers a module where you can edit your pictures and logos. If there are products that you do not want to give a clear price in the store settings section, just select the Request a Quote option. Group your products by creating collections. You can upload your documents such as certificates and test reports from the Seller Profile section. You can write the answers to the most frequently asked questions about your products in the FAQ section. From the Product section, you can manage the details and stock amounts of the products you offer to REXPORTA buyers. Adding new products and deciding who will pay for the transportation can also be done here. You can add new products and enter detailed information about the product in the Custom Product Setup section. Information such as YouTube video links, tag terms and search engines such as Google are entered here. If there are options such as color and size in the products, they are arranged in this section. REXPORTA seller users can also sell services along with the products. You can attach these services with the products you want. Services can be digital or physical.